Yeah, yeah. Stacks of coupons in my hand, full tight. Walking through these aisles feels like a fight. Price tags dropping low, what a sight. Sales so heavy, got me feeling just right. Clearance racks.
What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. Today is Friday, and this video is gonna be a Family Dollar explosion of deals. Yeah, explosion of deals. Want to show you some deals I got out and did today. Actually, I was thinking today was Saturday. Got a rude awakening when I did my first transaction at Family Dollar. He was like, honey, it is not Saturday. And I was like, what? But I still got some stuff at a great price that I want to show y'all in case y'all want to grab some of these items Saturday or, whenever, because it doesn't have to necessarily be a Saturday deal. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into these deals. Okay, y'all, here is my first transaction that I got at the Family Dollar. We are going to start off with the car clip. It was $3.50. We have a $2 digital, making it $1.50. Then the Downy Ultra Soft, y'all, I absolutely love this fabric softener. And I would say if y'all never used this before, if you do happen to get this, use it on like blankets, towels, and sheets, and oh, they will be smelling lovely. But this item was $5. We have a dollar digital, making it 4. Then on the Game Liquid, it's the smaller one, the 32 loads. It is $5.50. We have a dollar off, making it $4.50. Then these Gain Flings is called Fresh Splash, and it is 31 count. They are on sale for $8 because usually a 31 count bag of Gain Flings will run you like almost $10. So these was 8. Then the Don, I got another one of them. They were $5. We have a $2 off, making it $3. And then they gave us a Dow coupon, and you can use that with Dow body wash, Dow men body wash, the Dow bar soap, our tone body wash. But this is $4, and dollar will come off, making it $3. So all of these items that y'all see are the total with coupons was $24, making each item $4 each. And I think it wasn't bad, except on the card clip. Now I wouldn't see myself paying $4 for this card clip, so I don't know about that one, but made each item $4. But if you do this deal on Saturday or something similar, the price with coupons will be $19, and each item will be $3.16 each. Now I can see that on the card clip because they are just $3.50. But yeah, and then if you don't want a card clip, the coupon also attaches to the small spaces. And I usually do get those, but I was tired of getting those, so I just went on and picked up a card clip because some of my customers do request the card clips so they can put them in their car and have their car smelling good. But that is the first transaction. So let's get into this next transaction and see what I done did. And plus, I found more clearance items, y'all. Okay, y'all, here is some more stuff that I got in another transaction. Okay, we are gonna start off with this Tide Oxy Pods 13 count. It was on clearance for $1.77. I know y'all have seen this before, but I cannot stress enough to y'all, if I see something at a reasonable price on clearance, I don't care if I bought it 5,000 times, I'm still gonna get another one. And actually this was a different Family Dollar I went to, so they only had one left. So I went on and purchased it at $1.77, and I wish we had that 75-cent off coupon that we usually have for those, but we didn't. So oh well. Moving on. Okay, the Palmolive. It is the 20-ounce one, y'all. It was on clearance for $1.77 as well. No coupon, but at $1.77, that is an affordable price. Okay, we have the Finish Powerballs, the 11 plus 3 tabs. It is $5. We have a $2 digital, making it $3. Then I know y'all done seen these. Like I said, if I see it, I'm gonna grab it. These Arm & Hammer Deep Clean, the blue ones, 24 loads. They are $2.47, and we still have that 5 off of 20 Arm & Hammer coupon, so that is something to think about if you was doing a Saturday deal and you happen to see a lot of these Arm & Hammers on clearance. You can put it into a deal and come out cheaper. Okay, this Arm & Hammer right here is the 54 loads, and it looks just like this. It is $3.97 on clearance. So I was able to look up and find some more Arm & Hammer clearance. Then I seen another Fresh Splash, which was $8. Wish I had a coupon on that as well, but no coupon. Then I got the 6 Big Rose Scott toilet paper. It was $3.60. We have a dollar attaching, making it $2.60. Then I have found some men's licensed underwear, and this one is Scooby-Doo, but they do have, I think I seen SpongeBob as well, but they look just like this. 2 in a pack, and they are on clearance for $3.97, and they was $10. So $3.97 for some men's boxers is not bad at all. Okay, I got one more thing to show y'all, and then we can end this video. Okay, y'all, this is the last items right here that I bought. It is the bigger Gain, and we do not have no coupons for this, but if you buy 144 ounce or larger Gain detergent, you will get a 5 ounce Fireworks beads for free, and that's a $4.65 value. And this deal would definitely be a good deal to do on Saturday as well. And maybe you can add like some dryer sheets to this and our fabric softener, have your whole little laundry bundle complete for a good price. But these big detergents, well, this was ringing up $16 in app, but I looked at my receipt and it was saying $16.50. But whatever the case is, they are between $16 and $16.50. And the Gain Firework beads, you can get the original one or the purple one, and they are 5 ounces, and they say trial size on the lid. So that is the last transaction that I did, and I end up paying what, like $17. Yeah, like 17 something dollars. I don't know the exact math because I had got a water with this stuff, so I don't know the exact math, but I know it's under $20. But that is the end of the video. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. No telling what type of deal I will be dropping next. With that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.